Hi everyone, I'm Wise Dietitian Kimberly here with another kitchen tip, and today I'm going to give you 4 easy steps to building a smoothie. Smoothies are really easy to make. All you need is a blender, and they can be a great meal or snack. So to build a smoothie, the first step is going to be to add some protein. So I have Greek yogurt here, and I have about a half cup, but you can use as much as you'd like, or you can use milk or soy milk as your protein as well. This second component is going to be some fruit. So I have half of a frozen banana, and I also have some frozen peach slices, but you can use anything that you like. The third component is going to be to add in a veggie. Spinach is a really popular one to add into smoothies. It doesn't affect the taste too much. And another idea for you is grated carrots. So I have 1 large carrot that I peeled and shredded, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. And finally, the fourth component is a mix-in, so something that will boost the nutrition of your smoothie. And I have a tablespoon of chia seeds. You could also use ground flax seeds, hemp seeds, or peanut butter or almond butter too. And then finally, I'm going to pour in some milk to help everything blend together. And you can use as much as you like to whatever consistency you're looking for. And then you blend it all up, and here's your finished product. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Stay tuned for more.